Hello everyone, this is AI Digital with a brand new topic, Xiaomi 13 Ultra. Introducing Leica optical lens with super telephoto ultra wide angle with 50 megapixel cameras. With processor Snapdragon 8 Gen 2, 12GB RAM, 256GB ROM, 5000 mAh battery, IP68 rated water resistance. Let's dive into the world of Xiaomi 13 Ultra. Integrating century-old authentic Leica optics into brand new smartphone imaging technology. Take photography to the next level and empower your smartphone with the photographic creativity of a camera. For recording the authenticity of every moment. You can say Xiaomi 13 Ultra is the beauty and the beast. With simplicity, design pleasing to the eye and durable. Let's have a look on its simplistic and marvelous design. Xiaomi has integrated its cooling technology 3 times more efficiently in this beautiful model, which will help Xiaomi 13 Ultra's grace to stay humble in the rash environment. Thank you for watching. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe.